In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine images to make a video with Kling AI elements. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to prompt Kling to turn your stills into a smooth, cohesive video. First, open your browser and head to the Kling AI app. Log into your account and make sure your plan includes access to this feature. If certain buttons look grayed out or you see upgrade notices, that usually means a subscription is required for video generation. Once you're in, you'll land on the main workspace. From the dashboard, click Omni. Think of Omni as Kling's all-in-one creative hub, where you can jump between image and video tools without leaving the flow. Inside Omni, choose Video Generation, then click the Image option. This tells Kling you want to drive the video using still images as your visual source, rather than relying on text alone. Next, Select from History. This opens your asset library with images you've previously created or saved. Using history keeps everything in the same ecosystem, so color profiles and metadata often carry over more cleanly than if you start from scratch elsewhere. Now choose the images you want to include. If the picker allows multi-select, choose them in the order you'd like them to appear so the narrative flows naturally. For best results, try to keep a consistent aspect ratio across your selections, 16.9 for landscape or 9:16 for vertical, so you minimize unexpected cropping. High-resolution images with clear subjects and good lighting generally produce smoother transitions. Click Confirm to attach those images to your video project. You'll drop back into the editor with your chosen images listed as references for generation. Take a quick look to make sure everything you selected is present and in the intended sequence. Now it's time to guide the motion. In the prompt box, describe how you want the video to move between images and what the overall style should be. Be explicit about transitions, camera behavior, pacing, and mood. For example, you might write something like smooth crossfades between images, gentle parallax, subtle camera push-in, cinematic lighting, soft background depth, cohesive color grade. If you have a platform in mind, mention tone and duration cues like energetic for social or calm and storytelling for portfolio reels. When you're ready, click Generate. Kling will process your images and prompt together, then render a video based on those instructions. Give it a moment to complete. If the first pass isn't quite there, adjust your prompt to emphasize transitions, movement intensity, or style, then generate again until it matches your vision. That's all there is to it. Simple steps, professional results with Kling AI elements.